Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on OPPO A5x. So first things first, let's unplug the charger and check if it's not broken in any way. And it's not, then I'll plug it once, again back. Now clean the charging port that is right in here, and you can do it with compressed air or Q-tips or wooden sticks. Just don't use any metallic tools. Then let's just check if we have an option to enable fast charging. I'm sure that we don't, but nope, we don't have this option, so the fast charging is always active. Then, if it's still not working, try to plug your charger to another phone and check, or maybe plug another charger into this phone and check if it's working. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.